at 9949 Via Elegante. Okay. Now you see it furnished. And so they changed the tile. You can see that's different tile. Painted.
Beautiful, yeah. First start off, there's a bedroom right there to the left.
Yeah, so the same layout basically,
Yes, I
right?
see
Yeah.
that.
Mhm.
Okay. Pretty much like the other one.
And you see the tile, so no carpet.
Oh, the bathroom. I didn't even see the bathroom.
Please make sure you lock the doors. Shut the lights.
This one, so this one is 6 foot.
685.
685. 685. Let's see the-
Then here. Casey's 2012, June 2012. The roof is from the original, I think it's 2004. I believe these stay, I have to check with them, and this refrigerator might stay or no.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
So this thing need the office. The
Yes.
other bedroom,
Right.
the
Yeah.
office.
Yeah. Interesting. So they made windows, like
Yeah, the one, yeah, they did that. That was this
Oh.
model.
So you're not the owner?
No, I'm the agent.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure.
Yeah.
Do you talk?
Just don't put your finger in there. She ain't at
They
you.
go at you, I know.
She can?
I've had them.
Yeah.
So I know, they go right at you.
Yeah.
Say something.
Don't ask her to. She'll start talking all the time.
Hello. Hello.
Ask her what. Ask her.
Hello, hello.
Yeah. Ask her what woman wants.
There you go.
And then they'll, hi. So it is different layout.
Yeah, well, it's
Yeah,
very modern.
yeah.
It's decorated very modern.
Oh, and you see. So these are different cabins. And it has the pool.
Oh, you see the difference?
Of course.
No,
Yeah.
I'm trying to see
I
what
know.
the gentleman was telling us in the other house.
Yeah, yeah,
I
The
know.
cabinets.
yeah,
I know.
These are regular cabinets.
yeah.
Right.
Those were
They were
They
The
were.
other house was refaced, but I wasn't gonna keep going there with the same question.
These are cabinets.
I know,
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're not refit. Those are.
The
Yeah.
other ones were, but he was saying they were all
I
the
like
same.
with the cabinets.
Well, it's
So you
a
want to see the
important.
master bedroom?
It's important.
I
Cabinets
know.
are important.
Yes, there's a big, that's why there's chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry ice cream.
Oh, okay.
Walk-in closets in there.
Everybody
Nice
wants to
and
think and
roomy.
talk a different flavor.
What is the square footage of this?
This
it
is the same. Yeah,
It is.
1300 something, 1370.
No, square footage?
Yeah.
This is
Oh, sorry,
23.
2370.
Yeah,
Yeah.
2364.
I almost like. I always yeah,
This one was
yeah
24
almost
square
24,
feet. Yeah.
and that one also 2370. So it's the same.
Similar.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
exactly
yeah.
the same. Yeah. Oh,
This one for
nice,
some reason-
interesting building, right? So
Yeah.
we call it. Wow. So you don't hear the road in the house
No,
at
you
all.
do
Yeah.
not.
So you don't.
And they don't even have impact windows and doors.
Yeah.
Faces the road, the kids, the cabinets. You're definitely gonna rip this needs.
Yes, it needs to be ripped out.
This needs work to your taste.
Well, guys, I'll
someone-
tell you this. You're from up north, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. None of these places you come through Florida.
No,
unless
I
you're gonna pay
know.
$1 million. And
No,
you
I know, I know.
Trust me, we know.
We know, we know. Listen,
I'm gonna.
I had a house 4,000 square feet, but I never finished in the house. It was
And we built it.
and I built it from
Yeah.
scratch, architects,
Yeah.
everything.
You're
And I
never
was
done.
never finished
You're
till the
never
day I
done.
left.
Never.
You're never done.
You're never
Do we
Yeah, that's
go
a-
out this way or the other way?
I
You go
would,
this way.
I'd rather, yeah.
yeah.
But I just don't feel like ripping again.
Yeah.
You're gonna rip them out no matter what house you buy.
Uh,
It's a
not like, not with the one I built.
I know, right?
My ripping days are done.
It's a nice.
Good, good.
So just a quick note on here, this
Uh-huh.
is a salt chlorinated pool. It's also got the solar panels to heat the pool, and it heats the hot water heater. They have a drain that they put in, so when it rains, it doesn't overflow, okay? Behind you, there's nothing but the canal. On the left side of you, yes,
Is the road.
is 441. Now, you know, I've had plenty of people come